boys and girls, this is Mrs. Klingus, and today I have a few of my helpers who are going to show us how to make borax snowflake crystals. So I'm going to introduce my helpers here first. I have Gabriel. Gabriel, say hi to everybody. Cooper, say hi to everybody. Wave hi. And then we have Grace.
Hi.
So this is an activity you could do with adult supervision with your younger siblings if you would like. Wow. So the first thing you're going to need are some pipe cleaners. You could probably get these at the dollar store, or I got these at Target. The next thing you're going to need is a large container. I have a big, large mason jar here. You could use another size mason jar, a large cup, even a bowl, whatever you might have available. You're going to need a pen, a pencil, or a straw to hold it on the top. You're going to need borax. Now, borax you can find in your local grocery store next to the laundry detergent. We're going to need some twine or string. I have some food coloring, which is optional, and then some hot water. The hot water, you're going to need some adult help with this, whether you put it in the microwave or you boil it on the stove. Please make sure you have adult supervision to help you. And you're going to need a big spoon for stirring. So the first thing we're going to do to make our snowflakes is we're going to need pipe cleaners. Now, these pipe cleaners I've already twisted together, and you're going to break them into thirds. So about 3 equal pieces. So you're going to need some scissors for this. And then you're simply going to twist them into any type of snowflake shape you want. Now, if you look on YouTube, there are all types of different images you could make. Candy canes, stars. You could use snowballs and make Santa's beard, I've seen. But this is about as far as my artistic skills go. And this little piece here can go on the end, and it will give you that little piece of a snowflake right there. So as we assemble this, I want to tell you the measurements for the solution we need, the chemical part of it. So in the chemical part of it, we need 3 scoops of borax for 1 cup of water. I'm using 6 cups of water. So because I'm using 6 cups of water, 6 times 3, I need 18 scoops of borax. I've already had the boys put 6 in each, and if Grace would come help me and put 6 more in, that will finish us off.
6 more in there?
6 more in there, please, yes. So you simply just use your tablespoon measuring cup. That's 1 tablespoon each. Perfect, thank you. So now we have our snowflake here, and again, they don't have to be perfect. They could be any shape, any size. And I'm going to take some twine here, and I'm going to tie it around the middle of our snowflake, almost like you're tying a double knot in your shoelace. So we have it tied on there. Now the next thing we're going to do is add the hot water. Now you are going to need some adult supervision for this because it will be quite warm and you don't want to get burned. So we're going to gently pour in our 6 cups of water. And what this is going to do is it's going to dissolve the borax. So we're going to stir it until we don't see any more white on the bottom. As you can see here, there's white crystals on the bottom. We want to keep stirring until all those crystals dissolve. And as you're doing this, you can pick a food color option to dye the color. If you don't want to dye it, it's fine. It'll come out white. That might be what you're looking for. Are you going to put the red dye in? No, we don't need any more of those. Come put the red dye in for me. Okay. Can you put the red food coloring in for me?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the step where you're going to add the food coloring. We'll get more pipe cleaners, don't worry. Okay, so go ahead, you can put that in there. Okay, that's good. So we have our solution now that has turned red. Making sure it's all stirred up and all the borax is gone. And then this next step is very important. What we're gonna do here, we have this string and our snowflake. So the container you choose, you have to make sure that it's large enough to fit through. Now as you hang it, the snowflake cannot touch the sides or the bottom. It's very important. Then this is where you're going to attach your string to either your pen, a pencil, a straw works really well, and you're going to just tie it up on the end here. And you're going to let it hang. Again, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's not touching the top, it's fully submerged, and it's not touching the sides or the bottom. Then what you're gonna have to do is let this sit overnight. And when you sit overnight and you pull it out the next morning, this is what they're going to look like. You can see all the sparkling crystals hanging. And it looks like it would be really soft, but it's actually really hard. And you can either hang these ornaments from your tree. It almost looks like rock candy if you've ever seen rock candy, but do not eat it. It is not safe to eat. But you can hang these for Christmas decorations from your tree. You can cut this string off or you could use it as a hook. And that's basically what you have. So by tomorrow morning, when you take this out, I actually have another one here. This is a green one we did last night. So as you pull it out, you'll see all of the crystals. This was a blue one we did last night with green crystals. And you can see this is another one we did last night. So this is what they'll look like. And again, they'll turn into whatever shape you use. I chose snowflakes because that's just what I like. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little experiment and have a happy holiday.